Well, what we hope is that it will open up the collections to a wider audience, and people who maybe generally don't look at things like this it will spark their interest in it by seeing the guest curators' ideas and personal experience of it. Academics and scholars use our collections all the time, but what we want to do with this exhibition is to open them up to a much more general audience. There's something for everyone there, and essentially what we want to do is to invite people to see what they can find in the collection.
For me, I highlighted a pamphlet that was produced in 1917, recording Ireland's reach out to the United States to seek their support in the aftermath of the 1916 Rising and before the first Dáil had met. And that's looked at juxtaposed with the 1775 correspondence from the US to Ireland seeking Irish support for the War of Independence there. The trove of documents belonged to the Irish people. We're fortunate enough to be the people charged with them, and for far too long they have been inaccessible. So it's vitally important, and this will be one, I hope, of many lasting legacies of the centenary celebration.